Australian authorities have said a body has been found in a floodwater and 13 military were injured in a vehicle crash as wind weather from a tropical storm lashes to the country's eastern coast. Cyclone Alfred, which was downgraded to the tropical low on Saturday, made landfall near the Queensland capital city of Brisbane in the evening local time. Officials have warned residents to stay indoors and remain cautious, declaring the storm threat is not over yet. Winds have brought down trees, power lines and flooded low-lying roads. More than 3 lakh properties are now without power in the region.